Hello friends, let's see today how to add and redeem your gift card, Amazon gift card. So first you have to log into your account with your username and password and click on your profile here, your name, then just click on here and go to gift cards, click on gift cards, then option called redeem a gift card. Click on redeem a gift card where you have to enter the claim code or gift card code that is provided in your gift card. Here it will show what is the gift card, and Amazon gift card claim code is 14 or 15 characters long. Okay, they have provided the example. It will be provided in your gift card, so you enter the code here and just click on apply balance. Thank you.